Hello, myself Ratnesh Kumar Maurya. My topic is Internet Control Message Protocol. What is an ICMP message? So, since Internet protocol does not have any inbuilt mechanism uh, for sending error and control error, it depends on the Internet Control Message Protocol to provide an error control. It is used for reporting error and management queries. Uh, It is a supporting protocol and it is used by the network device like router for sending error message and operation information. For example, it's a, if the request service is not available, then host or root could not be able to reach. So here it is an overview of IP. So here IP is relies on several other protocol to perform a necessary control and routing function. So first part is control function, second is multicasting signal, and third is setting of routing table. So it is a IMCP is a control function, and multicasting signal is IGMP, and setting a routing table is this line: RIP, OSMP, BGP, and PIM. So Internet Control Message Protocol is a helper protocol that support IP with facility for error reporting and simple queries. So it is a format for IP headers and ICMP message. So here IMCP message are encapsulated as a IP datagram. So it is an ICMP message format of consist of three part: type, code, and checksum. Type is 1 byte, code is also 1 byte, and checksum is 2 byte. So in checksum, we are familiar with the checksum that is control calculate where is it error or not. So here a checksum is calculated over the entire ICMP message. So if any no additional data, there are 4 bits set to 0, and each MCP is at least 4 byte long. So it is a host, and it is the host or router. So it requests to the routers, and after that it will reply. So it is sent request is sent by host or router, and reply is sent back to the host. So here it is the type and code from 0 to 8, 13, 14, and these are the ping commands and echo request and echo replies. So pings are handled directly by the kernel. Each ping is translated into ICMP echo message request, and pinged responds with the ICMP echo reply. So source quench message is a request to decrease the traffic rate for decreasing the time to sending the message to the host, or we can see that when receiving a host detect that rate is of sending packet is too fast, so it send the source message to source to slow the pace down so that no packet is lost. So here, if ICMP will take the source IP from the discarded packet and inform the source by sending a source message, then source will reduce the speed by of transition so that router will be free from congestion. So when congestion router is far away from the source, then ICMP will send hope source message so that router will reduce the speed of transmission. So here is the ICMP error message. It is an IP datagram. It is sent by the host to the routers. After that, it will reply the ICMP error message. So when error message deported over error condition, then typically sent when datagram is discarded. So ESA error message is often passed from the ICMP to the application program. So here it is the entire format from ICMP headers to 8-bit loader. It is the ICMP message, and here is the IP protocol headers. Here is the type, code, and checksum. So ICMP error message includes the complete IP headers, and the first 8-bit of the payload is usually TCP and UDP. So here is the type, code, and description. So it is the type, and this is the code and description. This tell the error message. So like example, if type is 3 and code is in between 0 to 15, then that means its destination is unreachable. So what? So it notified that IP datagram could not be forwarded, and it was dropped. So code field content and explanation. So here, if let's example again, it's a type is 11 and code is only 0 and 1 binary. So that means time exceeded. So sent when time exceeded field has reached 0. If it is 0, then it is reached 0. So when there is timeout, it is means code 1. It is subtype of destination unreachable. If code is 0, that means network is unreachable. So there is no routing table entries available for the destination network. One protocol is unreachable. Protocol in the field that the IP headers is not supported at the end of destination. Port unreachable. Transition protocol at the destination host cannot be passed. So here, if destination host and IP modules could not deliver the datagram, so because the region will be indicated protocol modules or process is not active at that time, so destination may not send destination unreachable message to the source. So here is a scenario of client and server. It is request at the port 80. So if port is not active, then it is port is unreachable. This is uh, so what are the problems that occur? So whenever packets come to the router, then calculated header checksum should calculate the received headers, and checksum then only the packet is accepted by the routers. So if let's example if time exceeded message, so when some fragment are lost in network, then holding fragment may not be router will be dropped. Then ICMP will take source IP from the discarded packet and inform the source of discarded message due to time to leave field reach 0 by sending times and exceeded message. So this is all about the internet control message protocol. Thank you.